The surprising truth behind AI's decision-making powers: AI is everywhere. It's deciding what we watch, what we buy, and even who gets hired for a job. It powers self-driving cars, recommends medical treatments, and even predicts crime. But here's the shocking truth: AI doesn't actually think the way we do. So, how does it make decisions? And more importantly, can we trust those decisions? Most AI models, including the ones running social media, search engines, and financial markets, don't understand emotions, ethics, or reasoning like humans do. Instead, they analyze enormous amounts of data, searching for patterns and making predictions based purely on probability. Let's take a simple example: a chess AI. When it plays, it's not thinking or strategizing like a human grandmaster. Instead, it calculates millions of possible moves per second and picks the one most likely to lead to victory. No intuition, just raw numbers. The same logic applies to AI-powered stock market predictions, medical diagnoses, and even what ads you see online. At first glance, this seems efficient. AI can process data far faster than any human, making it seem like an ideal decision maker. But here's where things get unsettling: AI isn't neutral. It learns from the data it's fed, and that data is created by humans, filled with human biases. For example, AI is now used in hiring processes. It scans thousands of resumes and decides who gets an interview. But if the system was trained on biased hiring data, it will unknowingly discriminate, favoring one group over another. This has already happened. In 2018, a major tech company had to scrap an AI hiring tool because it unfairly rejected female applicants. And it gets worse. AI is being used in courtrooms to predict whether someone is likely to commit a crime again. A study found that one AI system was disproportionately labeling black defendants as high risk while giving lower risk scores to white defendants with similar records. The AI wasn't intentionally racist, it was just reflecting biases in the historical crime data it was trained on. This raises a critical question: can AI ever be truly fair? The truth is, AI isn't good or bad. It's a mirror, reflecting whatever data we provide it. If we feed it biased data, it will reinforce those biases, even if we don't intend for it to. And here's the real danger: most people don't question AI's decisions. We assume that because AI is based on data and algorithms, it must be more objective than humans. But that's not always true. In many cases, AI is simply automating human biases at a much larger scale. So what can we do? The solution isn't to stop using AI, it's to be more aware of how it works and challenge the decisions it makes. Developers need to build AI systems that detect and correct biases. Policymakers need to set regulations to ensure AI is used ethically. And as users, we need to ask questions instead of blindly trusting every AI-powered decision that affects our lives. Because the scariest thing isn't AI making decisions, it's humans trusting AI without question. What do you think? Can AI ever be truly unbiased? Let's discuss in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Spiral's Stories for more mind-bending content.